Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I have a spooky David's Tea Halloween haul to share with all of you. I'm going to be sharing some autumn and Halloween themed teas that I picked out both on the e-store as well as in-store at my local David's Tea. Some of these teas are top favorites of mine and some of them are ones I haven't tried yet, and I'm really looking forward to giving them a sniff, trying them out, and seeing what I think. So if you're ready, make sure to grab a cup of tea, of course, and let's get started with today's video. Virtual cheers. So the first tea I'm going to share with you is called Sweet Potato Pie, and this is a tea I discovered last year, and I'm surprised I didn't try it before. It is delicious. It is amazing as a latte. Like, I highly recommend as a latte. It's so good, low caffeine. It has black tea, pecans, rock sugar, cinnamon, butternut squash, sweet potato, marshmallows, which I absolutely love, and a couple other flavorings like ginger, nutmeg, and some other natural flavoring. And you guys, this is just, oh, it's so delicious. It literally tastes like fall. When I have this, it just engulfs me in the fall vibes. And I love that it's low caffeine too, which is great. Now, another tea that I picked up that will be no surprise if you follow along on my tea videos is pumpkin pie matcha. Oh my gosh. There's like, you're seeing these ones here. I just pointed. I have another one in my kitchen that I forgot to grab. I stock up on this. I actually have another David's Tea order coming where I ordered more. There was a sale for 30%, I believe, and I ordered a bunch more. I love pumpkin pie matcha. I'm a huge gingerbread matcha fan. So if you like that one, try the pumpkin pie matcha. It's so delicious. Now, another top favorite that you've seen on my channel for years, I'm assuming, is pumpkin chai. I love pumpkin chai. It's a very nostalgic tea for me. It just puts me in that like autumn mood, that spooky mood. There's something really comforting about it. Now, what's interesting about pumpkin chai is it does have dairy in it, and I actually am allergic to dairy. But for whatever reason, with pumpkin chai, I don't really have a reaction to it. But I just want to give you guys that FYI because I know some of you who follow me also can have dairy, which is why I'm going to go into pumpkin Earl Grey. And guys, I am so silly. I just assumed this wouldn't have dairy in it, and it does. I'm just going to read you the ingredients. It is black tea, pumpkin, carrot, cinnamon, cardamom, clove, and then it has natural flavorings of pumpkin pie, vanilla, cream, butter, cinnamon, marigold petal, and bergamot oil. So it says it's like a natural flavoring of cream and butter. So it makes me wonder, like, does it have dairy? Does it not? So wait till the end of the video because I do make this tea and I will let you know how it ended up working out for me. Let's put it that way. Up next is a herbal fruit infusion tea that is a must try. Like, I highly recommend this tea for everyone. It is called Baked Apple Chai. It reminds me of Mom's apple pie from David's Tea. A little bit different though. And guys, it is comfort in a mug. Like, it smells amazing, and I'm always like iffy with apple flavored teas. This one surprised me. I went in thinking that I wasn't going to like it, and I absolutely love it. And I ordered more online because it's so good. I used my like free 50 grams of tea to get this. And you guys, it has apples, figs, cinnamon. It has chicory, cardamom, cloves, black pepper, and a bunch of other like spices and stuff. And it's so good, especially on like a rainy, stormy night, like, and like, you know, cuddled in a nice blanket and this tea, and like, it's autumn again in a mug. I think all these teas are going to be basically autumn in a mug, but that one, highly recommend Baked Apple Chai. Like, so delicious. Up next is a rooibos tea called Toasted Marshmallow. And when I saw this, I love marshmallows, you guys. Like, I'm obsessed with marshmallows. They're one of my favorite desserts, as silly as that sounds. So when I saw there was a tea, I just added it to cart, and I didn't realize that it has dairy in it. So I still actually haven't officially tried this. Unlike the pumpkin Earl Grey, this one actually is specified by David's Tea that it contains dairy. So it makes me very nervous. I have to be really careful with dairy. And I'm so sad because it sounds so delicious. And I'm wondering, like, if I just took out the things that contain the dairy, like, could I still kind of try it and get a sense of what it tastes like? I'm not sure. We'll see what I end up doing. I might just end up giving this to a friend. Up next is a spectacular mug that I have to share with all of you from the DAVIDsTEA Halloween Collection. This is a Nordic mug style with infuser and lid. And spoiler alert, it is color changing, which I love. I have actually I have quite a few DAVIDsTEA Halloween themed mugs. I don't get them every year because if you guys have seen my mug collection on Instagram at Fashion Storyteller, I have so many and I have to be really strict when it comes to mugs because I love collecting them. And this one was just so, like, it was so sweet. I had a gift card to go to DAVIDsTEA and I just decided to go for it because it was just so, so cute with the little ghosts on it. Like, they're so adorable. It's kind of like a graveyard scene. There's spooky trees on it. Unlike my other DAVIDsTEA Halloween mugs, I love that it has purple to it, as well as that mixture of black and gray. It makes it very different and stand out. And now for the fun part, the color changing. So virtual cheers. And here is the color changing. So once you pour hot water in, it changes the color of it and the ghosts come alive, which is so cool. Now it is time for my favorite part of my tea videos. I'm gonna make a cup of tea with all of you guys, and I decided to make the pumpkin Earl Grey tea as mentioned before. This is a black tea, and as you heard earlier, I'm a little nervous about it because it does say it has natural flavorings of cream and butter in it, but DAVIDsTEA did not mark this as a dairy allergy type tea. So I've decided to be very brave and try this. I feel a little confident that it's not fully marked as dairy in it, and I really wanted to try it and give it a go. So here on the screen right now, you are seeing the color changing mug literally change as I pour that hot water into it. The ghosts really come alive and it's so fun. I've collected the color changing mugs from DAVIDsTEA throughout the years. You do have to be a little bit more careful when you wash them, just FYI. Be really gentle and they will last a long, long time. Now, even the lid, as you can see, color changes, and I just thought that was such an adorable touch. I decided to add 2 scoops of the pumpkin Earl Grey tea leaves to this. I used the infuser in the mug to make it, and then I steeped it for a total of 4 minutes. I wanted to add a nice amount of flavor to this, which is why I did 2 scoops. If you're making this and not adding milk or a milk alternative to this, I think just 1 scoop is just delicious on its own if you are going to have it black. I decided to add 2 scoops because I was planning to add it with the oat milk, which you'll see in a minute. But here is a look at it without the milk with the 2 scoops, and I did take a sip of it and it tasted so good. And then I got very excited to add some oat milk to this. I thought the oat milk would complement the pumpkin Earl Grey flavor a lot better than almond milk. So I added a little bit in, I stirred it up, and I did try it. Now I will let you guys know, I think I had not quite half of this. I had just a little bit and I did not have any reactions, which makes me very happy and feel more confident about maybe having a full mug of this. So I will keep you guys posted and let you know. But highly, highly recommend this tea. If you love Earl Grey, the flavor was amazing in it. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's DAVIDsTEA Halloween haul video. I would love to know which tea you would like to try or which one's your favorite. Please let me know down below. In my description bar of this video, I will have links on all these teas, the names of them, and where you can find them. I am an affiliate for DAVIDsTEA, which means I do earn a small percentage of the sale if you do use one of my links and purchase an item. A huge thank you in advance if you guys do use these links. It really does help me out a lot and means so much. Anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you a spooktacular Halloween season, a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now and take care.